What if the key to unlocking a world of positivity and opportunity resides within the recesses of our own minds? The law of attraction, a concept that has captivated millions, suggests just that. Yet, why do so many find it hard to unlock its potential, and how can we overcome these obstacles? The law of attraction is a principle that posits that what we focus on, we attract. It's not just a matter of wishful thinking, but rather a transformative process that requires active participation from two key players: our brain and, interestingly enough, our sleep. Our brain in this context behaves like a magnet. Every day it's bombarded with an enormous amount of information, processing around 70,000 thoughts. However, much of this information comes with a negative undertone, from the gloomy news headlines to the subtle negative vibes we might pick up during the day. This constant influx of negativity can distort the way our brain interacts with the law of attraction, making it challenging to focus on the positive and attract the same. But then, how does sleep fit into all this? Well, our brains don't exactly clock out when we do. During sleep, our brain remains active, sorting and storing the day's information. This process can lead to dreams, or in the face of persistent negativity, nightmares. The consequence? Restless nights that feed into a cycle of negativity, further muddying our interaction with the law of attraction. So how do we break this cycle? The answer lies in a conscious cleansing of the mind. By actively filtering out negative thoughts and preparing the mind for a restful sleep, we can wake up to a more positive outlook. This refreshed perspective can then help us harness the law of attraction more effectively, drawing positivity and opportunity into our lives. In summary, understanding and harnessing the law of attraction involves two key elements: the role of the brain and the importance of sleep. The brain, acting as a magnet, attracts what we focus on. However, a constant barrage of negative information can distort this process. On the other hand, sleep plays a crucial role in how our brain processes information. A good night's sleep can cleanse the mind of negativity, leading to a more positive awakening and a stronger interaction with the law of attraction. By acknowledging and addressing these aspects, we can create a more positive life for ourselves through the law of attraction.